making the rounds. Of course, latest data from the Japanese Ministry of Economy and Trade and Industry shows that January factory output fell at the fastest pace. The production downturn in motor vehicles after concerns of an economy that slipped into recession later last year. Industrial output fell by 7.5% in January compared to the previous month. The ministry also downgraded its assessment of industrial output for the first time since July last year as it tries to recover from recession of last year. Analysts at Capital Economies, Mr. Gabriel Ng, says that the plunge in January's industrial production suggests that GDP will fall yet again this quarter, which will add to the view that Japan's economy is in recession. And our cryptocurrency exchange, Gemini, has agreed to return at least $1.1 billion to customers of its defunct lending program as part of a settlement with the New York Department of Financial Services. The company will also pay a $37 million fine for significant failures. Gemini's end program was halted during a crypto crash in November 2022. The exchange, co-founded by twins Tyler and Cameron Winklevoss, known for the legal dispute with Facebook. The Department of Financial Services Superintendent Adrian Harris said Gemini failed to conduct due diligence on an unregulated third party, later accused of massive fraud, harming end customers who were suddenly unable to access their asset after Genesis Global Capital experienced a financial meltdown. The NYDFS said it could bring further actions against Gemini if it did not return at least $1.1 billion to customers. The firm, in a blog post, said it is working tirelessly in the past 15 months to advocate for end users and seek the return of their asset. The end program was offered in partnership with cryptocurrency lender Genesis Global Capital. And now, German sport apparel company Puma plans to return up to 50% of its net income to shareholders. The company, in a statement, said it will now return between 25 to 40% of the group's net income in dividend, up from 25 to 35%. The first tranche of a share buyback program will begin in March 2024 and end on May 6, 2025, with Puma expecting to buy back and then cancel 100 million euros. That's about $108.43 million worth of shares. Puma, one of challenging market conditions in results, with its sportswear companies having to convince cash-strapped consumers to buy trainers and tracksuit. The firm's shares have lagged peers Adidas and Nike in the past 14 months, weighed down by weaker sales than its competitors. Elsewhere in the oil space now, crude oil prices are set to post their second monthly gain in a row after a period of losses last year, with traders anticipating an extension of the OPEC Plus production cut. U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude fell to sell at $78.11 per barrel, with a downward price review of 0.55%. Brent crude futures also experienced a downward price margin of 0.67%, selling at $83.12 per barrel. And Bonilla sells at $85.03 per barrel. And for the OPEC basket, and crude oil dealers are offering $80.83 per barrel, with a price decline of 1.7%. Well, then that's our show on Thursday. We'll be back again tomorrow. I am Frank Omalape. I'll see you again.